Today our topic is Introduction to Human Physiology. In order to obtain valid measurements from a living being, it is necessary to have some understanding of the subject on which the measurements are being made. Inside the human body, one can find electrical, mechanical, thermal, hydraulic, pneumatic, chemical and various other types of systems, each of which communicates with an external environment and internally with the other systems of the body. These individual systems are organized to perform many complex functions by means of a multi-level control system and communication network. The integrated operation of all these systems and their various subsystems help to sustain life, learn to perform useful tasks, acquiring personality. Physiology of human body is shown in figure. The physiology of human system of the body and source of biomedical signals are shown in figure. The functional system of the body are the nervous system, the cardiovascular system and pulmonary system. The human system components communicate with each other as well as with external environment. These inputs and outputs can be measured and analyzed in a variety of ways. Most are readily accessible for measurement, but some like speech, behavior and appearance are difficult to analyze and interpret, needing special technologies. A complex control system. We know that a single input, single output control system is said to be a simple control system, but a system which has multi-input and multi-output is called a complex control system. The analysis of such complex control system is very difficult in practice as multi-input interacts among themselves. The system consisting of mechanical system, hydraulic system, pneumatic system, optical system, thermal system, chemical system, electrical system, computer system will definitely a very complex control system because the body is complex, because the body is composed of such system in it. The comparison can be made as under: mechanical system, the movement of limbs and mobility of the body. Hydraulic system, the blood circulation system. Pneumatic system, the respiratory system. Number 4, thermal system, the body temperature and environmental adjustment. Chemical system, the conversion of food stuffs into ions. Electrical system, bioelectricity generation due to cells. Optical system, eye vision system. Computer system, powerful brain system. Acoustic system, it is a hearing system. As shown in figure, in the diagram, physiological of human body and source of biomedical signals are shown in this figure. There are so many systems, for example, nervous system, respiratory system, pulmonary system, cardiovascular system, lungs, heart, muscular system, nervous system, galvanic skin resistance system, pulse oximeter pulmonary system, pulse rate cardiovascular system. These are some type of physiological system of the human body which is compared to the electrical as well as mechanical system of the engineering. In human body, several organs form a particular system which is responsible for a specific function. There are 10 different systems. Number 1, integumentary system, skin for protection. Number 2, muscular system, muscles give body shape and responsible for all movements. Skeleton system, bone and cartilage for protection, support and movement. Alimentary system, it is responsible for nutrition. The important organs of this system are tongue, stomach, ileum, rectum, liver and pancreas. Circular system, blood vessels, arteries, heart veins and capillaries. Respiratory system, nose, trachea, lungs for breathing. Excretory system, kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra for removal of waste from blood. Reproductive system, male, testes, vas deferens, seminal, vesicle, penis, female, ovary, oviduct, uterus, vagina, vulva, nervous system, brain and spinal cord with their branches, eye, ear, nostril, tongue, tissues in the skin for response and coordination of different organs and functions. Endocrine system, last, pituitary, thyroid, pancreas, adrenal, thymus and sex organs etc. for secretion of hormones to coordinate different functions in the body. In our subject, the physiological system of the human body, we read function of nerves and myoneural junction, cardiac muscles and its contractions, mechanism of respiration and generation, propagation and distribution of action potential. This is the introduction of the human physiology. Then in next turn we study about the cardiovascular system. Thank you.